Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about shoponic.com? If yes, then watch this video because we are going to share unbiased review on this website, as people from India are very curious to know about the legitimacy because this is getting attention with customers from India. Shoponic.com is an online store offering multiple product and affordable range. They are bringing the product at your doorstep according to customer needs without stepping out of your house. They have multiple products, like they are selling bridal sarees, home accessories, kitchen items, bags, jewelry, men's shirts and shorts, iPhone cases, jumpsuits, tops. So if you do not want to waste time stepping out of your house and spend 4 to 5 shopping hours, then you can try, but you must check out the legitimacy before making any online shopping from this store. This is https secure website. They are selling attractive products. They have provided their email address and physical address. They have shared their refund and return policy. Return can be claimed within 10 days of receipt of the item. The order should be unsaved in if and it is unused and in same condition, that can be returned or refund, otherwise they will not accept any refund. Moreover, for return they need 7 to 10 business days. Warranty claim to be provided within 90 days of the receipt. Delivery may take 3 to 7 days, and they are accepting different payment methods like GPay, Mastercard, Visa card, Paytm and credit card and debit cards. The positive point of the site are they have provided their email and physical address. Online orders could be traced. Parcels are insecure for loss and damage up to the value stated by the courier. The order could be cancelled and the address could be changed before dispatching. Free shipping for domestic orders. The negative points are contact number is not provided. No shipping internationally. They does not provide a reverse pickup facility. Found unrealistic discount on product. Here question is it legit or a scam? Shoponic.com is an online website that is selling product online. There are many other websites, we all know that, and they are fake and fraudulent and attract the attention of buyer to misuse your personal information. So as we are discussing important point, we found that it was created on 28 June 2021. It has poor trust score of 1%. HTTP secure website. As far as reviews are concerned, we found like the website don't have any customer review, but we found negative review on some other reviewing site. The social media connection page is found, but that is not sharing any relevant information. So here we can say that Shoponic.com is a young website with less than 6 months of registration, which make it least trustworthy, as such website with short life expectancy domain makes the buyers doubtful about the site. Customers should not give personal information on the site. And in our final verdict, we can say that no doubt the website is newly created with low trust score and many important information is missing, which makes this site look more suspicious. So we recommend our viewer not to buy any stuff from this site as it could be fraudulent. So it's better to avoid such online shopping website, and you must not share your important information with the website. Moreover, if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and views. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.